Good day, I am Francheska Louise Rosales, and today I am going to talk about my chosen red algae, Palmaria palmata. I will be going through its classification, morphology, and reasons why I chose this alga. To give you a background, Palmaria palmata is also called dulse, dils, and darusu in Japanese, but it is commonly known as the sea lettuce flakes. It is a popular snack eaten after being sun-dried, and it is widely distributed and probably confined to the North Atlantic. Unfortunately, it cannot be found here in our country, the Philippines, and reports of its occurrence in the Pacific, particularly Japan, refer to other species of the genus. This red alga is a common red seaweed found between the tides on rocky shores to a depth of 20 meters in both sheltered and moderately exposed areas. From the phylum Rhodophyta, it is under the class Florideophyceae, order Palmariales, and family Palmariaceae. Palmaria palmata was initially ascribed to Stackhouse. Palmaria palmata was named as such due to its resemblance to the human hand. It is lobed and divided in the manner of an outspread hand, with the sinuses between the lobes pointing to the place of attachment. It is reddish-brown with flattened fronts 50 to 300 millimeters long. It is membranous or leathery, arising from a discoid base, often with characteristic marginal leaflets. Its blade is very variably shaped, having broadly ovate to narrowly linear segments. Most plants have marginal proliferation at the base, while young plants can be less leathery, thin, and slivery. When I first saw this red alga, it somehow reminded me of flat rice noodles. Upon learning that it is also edible, I came to love the simplicity of how its name suits its morphology and how these characteristics made it distinct, that it resembles the human hand. Although it cannot be locally sourced, it has its own reputation in food and medicine. It can be used as a flavor enhancer in place of monosodium glutamate when diced in a vermifuge due to its kainic acid content. It is also very rich in trace elements and vitamins, particularly vitamin A. Aside from its modern applications in daily living, it contains iodine that can help prevent goiter. Being a common red alga, there are numerous studies done with Palmaria palmata, and I was thinking if it could be incorporated into daily vitamin intake due to its iodine, protein, and iron content. Also, to further elaborate on its potential medicinal properties. And that is all. Thank you for listening.